Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Recently, I've created a computer for myself, and I thought it'll be better if I make review videos of my PC components. Basically, it's a Ryzen build computer, and I've used Ryzen 7 3700X as the processor. AMD's third generation Ryzen CPUs boast higher clock speeds, and more cores than the previous first and second gen CPUs, and the Ryzen 7 3700X is one of the best CPUs for gaming. This processor was released on July 2019 and it costs about $330. However, when we compare the Ryzen 7 3700X to its main competitor, the Intel Core i7 9700K, an 8-core processor with no hyperthreading, which costs about $374, we can see that the Ryzen 7 3700X is offering twice the processing threads at a lower price tag. Intel is still king when it comes to single-core performance, but when it comes to multi-core ones, the AMD Ryzen 7 3700X is the absolute beast. Anyway, without further talking, let's do the unboxing and see what is given inside the box. There are two boxes given, one for the cooling and one for the processor. But first, let's open the cooling fans box and see what's given with the cooling fan. The cooling fan is quite heavy and I think it's enough for the processor. There are two cables given with the fan. One RGB cable and one USB cable. You can use any of these cable to control the RGB lights of the fan. Anyway, after unboxing the processor, I'll discuss about the fan. There are user manual and a Ryzen sticker given with the processor. And yes, be careful while handling the processor. If you accidentally bend or damage the pins of the processor, it'll be very hard to fix. Now, moving back to the cooling fan. This fan comes with pre-applied thermal compound, so we don't have to waste any money on buying thermal compound. There are two ports given, one for the USB and one for the RGB cable. Moreover, there is also a switch given. This switch is used to change the speed mode, or performance mode of the fan. Basically, there are two options available, high and low. Personally, I'll recommend to use the low performance mode of the fan, because the fan become much noisy on the high performance mode. Anyway, the AMD Ryzen 7 3700X is an impressive release from AMD, and its third generation of Ryzen chips. With it, you're getting 8 cores and 16 threads, with a boost clock of 4.4 GHz. I think it's not bad for gamers and content creators. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Stay innovative.